acquisition engine, weekly distress list sourcing, agent relationships, off-market targeting system. Value creation, refurbishment uplift, planning gain, change of use, specialised supported housing, serviced accommodation, houses and multiple occupation, income stabilisation. The Alpus system, we acquire property using various methods, we leverage our expertise, we prepare project designs, we undertake upgrades and development, and we provide safe, secure property returns. Real deal economics. A typical deal would be a £250,000 purchase, a £30,000 refurbishment, £360,000 gross development value, and £80,000 uplift. Specialised supported housing strategy layer. Convert to supported housing. 15 to 25-year indexed leases. Strong, resilient income. £100 million deployment plan. Phase 1, acquire assets, year 1. Phase 2, convert and reposition, years 1 to 3. Phase 3, stabilise and refinance, years 3 to 5. Portfolio scale, target 1,000 units. Nationwide coverage, repeatable acquisition model. Risk management, planning due diligence, cost control systems, multiple funding partners. Belmont House flagship projects, planning uplift achieved, conversion to income asset, model for replication. Capital stack, debt 60 to 70%, equity 30 to 40%, refinance post-stabilisation. Capital stack, refinance into long-term debt, hold for income, portfolio sale opportunity. Why Alpus? Institutional delivery experience, proven sourcing capability, specialised supported housing, specialist niche. The ask, £100 million capital allocation, strategic investor partnerships and deployment starting immediately. Call to action, this is a timing window, the pipeline is live, engage now and participate, invest. If you want to speak to me about anything you've heard or seen in this video, then don't hesitate to call me, that's Alan at Alpus Group on 07539 141257. From outside the UK, that's +44 7539 141257. You can schedule a call with me at calendly.com/AlanJE, or you can simply drop me an email to alan@alpusgroup.com.